What's up guys? Today I'll be showing you how to factory reset your JBL Flip 6 portable speaker. Now this is going to be a hard reset because it's the only way, and it's going to take the speaker back to its factory settings. So what you want to do is flip over the speaker and look for these buttons where you have the party boost, the volume down, volume up, and the play pause button. And what you want to do is place one finger on the volume up button, this one right here, and the other finger on the play button, and you want to press these two buttons simultaneously and hold them in for about 5 seconds until the speaker goes off. So let's try. So volume up and the play button, press them in and hold them in. Until the speaker goes off. So now when you switch it on, it's going to switch back on under the default settings. And that's basically how to factory reset your JBL Flip 6 portable speaker. Thanks for watching and good luck.